One great feature of the Google infrastructure is the messaging options, also known as Gtalk. And there are two forms of Gtalk. One is actually built into your Gmail account, as you can see down here, and the other is the downloadable client that you can run from your desktop. And here is the client. Now there's a few advantages to using the client. It's a bit more stable. It's not constantly having to update through a browser. And it also has some extra features that aren't supported by the browser version. So let's start with the browser version down here. You can add your contacts to Gtalk, and you need to make sure that your contacts are either using the chat version through a browser or the Messenger client. So to add a contact, just click the Add Contact button and type the email address in. And what this will do is send an invitation to the user, which the user will have to accept before you can start messaging through Gtalk. Now Gtalk has several options here. You can use voice and video, and this is a lot like Skype or some of the other video and voice chat applications. So to set this up, you're going to need either a headset or a microphone and a webcam. You can have voice without video, but you can also just use it for voice chat and not necessarily have video, much like Skype. Now you notice when you click the Install Voice and Video Chat, it's going to download the plugin, and you're going to have to restart the browser and log back in. And now we have the extra voice and video chat options. I don't have my camera configured at the moment, but I can set up our microphone and speakers as I'm using a headset. And there's some additional chat settings down here. These are the same that you would use even without voice and video chat. So once you've configured your voice and video chat, click Save Changes. And you're now good to go to voice or video chat with your peers on Google Talk. One of my favorite features of Google Talk is the ability to send files through the Messenger. And you do this simply by dragging and dropping the file you want to send into your conversation. You'll see you can also set your status. So if you're away at a meeting, or perhaps you're just working on something, or just want to share some information, you can update your status. And you'll notice if you have both the client running and the web application running, they will update almost simultaneously. Now a good reason in itself just to install the client is that it will notify you whenever you receive a new email. You'll see the Google Talk icon at the bottom right of your desktop, and when a new email arrives, a pop-up will appear giving you the subject, who it's from, and a brief intro to the email. You can then check your email just by clicking on the link, which will take you to your inbox. So that's just a quick overview of Google Talk. As you can see, in the business environment, there are several advantages to using instant messaging, voice chat, video chat, and the nice thing with Google is that it's all integrated into this infrastructure, so you can access such features through your Gmail or alternatively use the client.